morning and welcome to our final maths lesson of the week. It is Friday, so let's see what number of the day it is today. You can remember that yesterday's number of the day was 8, and on Monday's number of the day is going to be 10. So we know that today's number of the day is 1 less than 10, and you can see it peeking out a little bit there. If you think you know it, say it. Let's have a look. If you said 9, well done. So with your magic pencils, we are going to start here. We go around, up and down, okay? So around, up and down. So magic pencils, as always, up on the ceiling, around, up and down. Somewhere in front of you, around, up and down. Over to the window, around, up and down, over to the door, around, up and down, and as always on your forehead, around, up and down. Fantastic. Let's see what we have in the number 9 box today. Oh, we have got an assortment of Miss McHale's earrings. So let's have a look at these. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. What do you notice about my pairs of earrings? Oh yeah, do you know, I can hear somebody saying, Miss McHale, you're missing one of your earrings. You are right. I wonder where that earring has got to. Now that's an interesting thing to think about with our number 9, because within the amount of 9, you will have, let's see how many pairs of earrings I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 pairs of earrings, so I can wear on 4 different days. I can put these in my ears and it will be great. But then on one of the days, I'm only going to have 1 earring in my ear. So that's a really important thing to start thinking about, is how many pairs we have within our numbers. And if you see within our Numicon, you will see that is the same formation for Numicon. So we have got how many pairs within the Numicon? 1, 2, 3, 4. But you can see here, this little nubbin, as I like to call it, this one doesn't have a partner, doesn't have a pair. So it's really interesting to start thinking about which numbers have got pairs within them and which numbers will have one that is a bit left out. Okay, let's get on with our lesson. So we have really been focusing on counting up to 20, counting back from 20, finding anywhere within our number line and counting up and counting back. And you are doing such a good job. And thank you so much, parents, carers and siblings. You've really helped me to understand where your child's learning is. So we're really going to focus on that today, and we're going to keep doing that all of next week, because I know Miss McHale's been counting a little bit fast, hasn't she? So we're going to just pause and we're going to make sure that we get really good with our counting, because it's such an important skill. So let's do that together. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, lots of you have made your own number line. So if you have your own number line, why don't you go and get it, and you can point along to your numbers as you do it. So if you need to pause the video, get your number line. Maybe, I know lots of you have also got a sparkly pen. Maybe you can go and get that as well and point to the numbers, and we'll do it together, okay? So well done. Lots of you have now gone to get your number line. Good job. We're going to continue with our counting. This time we're going to go a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant. Now we're going to go backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Let's do it again. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to do it one more time because I think this is going to be the best one yet that you do. Off we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant work. I am so impressed with all of you. Now, I know I have told lots of you about this special film today, but Penny has been hard at work because I know lots of you really enjoyed her story as Penny as Little Bo Peep, and guess what? She's done it again. She's made you another film. Now, she knows that we're really focusing on counting back from 20, so she's really thought about this film. She rang up Miss Lewis. I know, thank you, Miss Lewis. I didn't even know Penny had taken my phone. She rang up Miss Lewis. She asked Miss Lewis to make a special song for her, and she then went out into the garden. Been very busy, haven't you? Went out into the garden, found these magic worms, and she's got a little story. Now, she would love it if you could join in with her, so I'm gonna make sure you know the words, okay? So it starts off with, there were 20 in the bed. Okay, we'll practice that together. So I'll say it first. When I do that, you say it. There were 20 in the bed, and Penny said, good job, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Okay, so I'm going to show you the song that she did with Miss Lewis. You're a very clever girl, and you will see the film that she has made for you. So what I would like you to do as you watch it, try and join in with her, because she would love it if you could sing it with her. So try and join in with her, and then I'd really like you just to practice it, okay? So that is your task for today. There's no written task. Your task for today is to join in with Penny's song that she's made just for you, and just to keep practicing your numbers back from 20. And you can do that by practicing the song. You can do that if you haven't made a number line, you could make your own number line. And that would be your task today. All right, hope you enjoy the show.
There were 20 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now there were 19 in the bed. There were 19 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. And now there were 18 in the bed. There were 18 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. And now there were 17 in the bed. There were 17 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. And now there were 16 in the bed. There were 16 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. And now there were 15 in the bed. There were 15 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. And now there were 14 in the bed. There were 14 in the bed, and 13 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now there were 12 in the bed. There were 12 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now there are 11 in the bed. There were 11 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now there were 10 in the bed. There were 10 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now there were 9 in the bed. There were 9 in the bed, and Penny said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now there were 8 in the bed. There were 8 in the bed, and